it's your girl Natalia.Armoni. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing another makeup look. I've been hearing all you guys' requests. Y'all saying I want to see more makeup, and I'm here to bring you more makeup. Okay, today I'll be doing this pre-fall look. I'm only saying pre because it's technically not fall yet. It needs to like hurry up because I love fall. That's my favorite season. Still wanted to do a fall look, and today I'll be using the AINA palette. AINA palette. Look at this beauty. Like, I'm telling you, this is my favorite palette of 2019. I said what I said, period. We're gonna be using, ooh, the brush fell out, this beauty right here. I got my hands on this a couple weeks ago. I know I'm late, but it's okay because this palette was just screaming fall to me, you know, like it was just screaming fall. So I had to wait until it was about kind of fall season to go ahead and put out this makeup look. I want to see how I got this pre-fall makeup look, then continue to watch. Hi, to get started, so as you all know, we're using the AINA palette today. What a beauty. So let's get started. Hope my camera is in focus. So the first color that I'm going to take is this color right here, ginger, and I'm just going to go ahead and dust it right on above my crease. Never disappoint, but I'm just living, baby. I'm living for the pigment. I'm gonna shake this shade right here, Wiggly's. I fell in love with this shade, y'all. Like, I really think this is really the reason why, I mean, not the reason why I bought the palette, because of course I was gonna support Auntie Jackie. I love her, but this shade right here just called out to my name. I love it. I'm just patting it right on the lid, and then I'm gonna like start working my way up, because as you can see, like, I have like hooded creasy eyes. Now I'm gonna go back in and take the brush that we used to put ginger and just blend out the edges of Wiggly's. Now that we have that blended out, I'm gonna go ahead to credit or debit, credit, baby. And we're gonna take credit and just focus it more so on the outer V. And then you want to go back in with ginger again and blend out the edges of credit. Okay, so now that that's blended out, we're gonna go back into Wiggly's, and we're just gonna tap that over the lid again and tap it a little bit into credit so they're both like well blended together. Now we're gonna go into Doyless. This shade right here is like a golden green shade. It's so freaking pretty, and we're just gonna go ahead and pop that right into our inner corner. And then we're going to take the shade Soleil, and we're going to use that to put under our brow bone. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put on some lashes and liner and zoom you guys out, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now it's time for the face makeup, my absolute favorite part. So to start off, I'm going to moisturize my face, and I'm using the Pond's moisturizer. This is my all-time favorite moisturizer for my dry skin. I used to use the Cetaphil one, but I noticed that it makes you like sweat on your face or something, so throughout the day like my makeup will be like really oily looking. So I canceled that one and I got this one, and I've been using it ever since. Please do not drag me for having my bonnet on, because I'm trying to do a 2-in-1 video here, so just don't even trip. Okay, I know I'm looking like your granny, but it's okay. Now for primer, I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha Luminous Silk primer. I'm just using this primer because this is like the only primer that I own at the moment. Honestly, I put too much. Like, you really don't even need all that. One little scoop is good. I just OD'd. Okay, so now for foundation, I'm going to be mixing these two NARS Natural Radiant foundations, simply because this one usually was my go-to. It's Macao, but for some reason when I use it now by itself, it's too light. And then so I picked up this one, and this is new. I don't know, it's new something. It's dark. What is this one? I think it's dark 2. This one seems a little too dark for me, so of course when you can't find your perfect shade, just mix. So I'm just gonna be like putting this one like more so on the outer parts of my face. So I'm just putting it like this because I'm being lazy. And then we're gonna take Macao and put it more so under my eyes, around my mouth. I just love this foundation, especially because I have really dry skin, and it gives your skin a nice freaking glow. So now that our foundation is blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and use my all-time favorite concealer, and that is the Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch. I freaking love this concealer. It's so freaking good. Full coverage, long wearing, like all that stuff. So this is hands down my favorite, and I'm just gonna focus that right under the eye. And now for my contour stick, I'm going to be using the Black Opal Skin Perfecting Stick Foundation, and this is in Suede Mocha. Because as you can see, I have a humongous head, so I be needing that extra contour this, and I really been loving this stick so far. So I learned this like little trick from Jackie to like let your concealer dry a little bit before you like blend it out. So I'm just gonna fan it, let it dry. To blend out my concealer, I'm going to be using my beauty blender. This is clean and damp. Now to blend out my contour, I'm going to use the Real Techniques contour blush and brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend up the contour into my concealer a little bit and like blend them together. I like smiling while I do this just to ensure that I'm not dragging my contour down too far and making my face look droopy. So smiling really helps. And then I like to take whatever's left and just dust it against my jawline and underneath my lip. And now to blend out my nose contour, I'm going to use the Morphe E62 brush. And before we start setting our concealer and all that, we want to go ahead and blend it out one more time just to make sure everything is nice and blended and no creasing. You do not want to set your creases. And for setting powder today, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place setting powder. I forgot the name, but everything I use will be listed down below. I'm using this to set everywhere I put my concealer. I know we looking a little crazy, but just bear with me guys, okay? We're not about to be looking too crazy for too much longer. Because now I'm about to go in with my contour powder, and I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion palette, and I like taking these two shades and mixing them together, and this is the medium to dark. And of course we're using this to set everywhere that we put our contour. So now I'm gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm just gonna use this just to cut my contour a little bit so my face can be a little bit more snatched. So while we letting this get together, I'm gonna go back into the eyes, and I'm just gonna take some black gel liner and put it right in my waterline. Well, as soon as I said eyes, my eyes just start running. What is going on? Y'all don't know what just happened to my eye. Let me just do this eye first. Okay guys, so moving back to the face, I'm going to use this Juvia's Place Volume 2 blush palette, and I'm just going to dust these two. What shades am I here with? I think I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm just going to dust that right on my cheek. I freaking love Juvia's Place blush palettes. Like, it's the freaking best to me. I love Juvia's Place overall as a brand, honestly. Like, their stuff is so freaking good and affordable, and that's what I'm always about: quality and affordability. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Morphe Fit Me pressed powder in mocha, and I'm gonna use my, did I say Morphe? This is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Pressed Powder in Mocha, and I'm going to use my Morphe E4 brush, and we're just going to dust that in there and wipe off this powder. Because we don't want no harsh lines. We don't want people to know that we had to bake for these cheekbones, okay? We want them to think that it's just hereditary. Okay, so now it's time for some setting spray, girl, because my face is just dry right now. Like, all that powder, like, girl. So I'm about to just go in with the NYX Dewy Missing Setting Spray. I really just use this just so I can bring some moisture to my face. Then I like to take the butt of my beauty blender and press that right into my skin. And now for highlight, I'm going to use my all-time favorite highlight, and it's just highlight right here. This is from MAC Cosmetics. This palette honestly is really old. I got this last Christmas, so I don't even know if they still have this at the moment. But guys, when I say this is the best highlight for us women of color, sis, for real, like, just look. And I really just focus my highlight right on my cheek and just drag it up a bit. I really haven't been like extra, you know, highlighting all the way up here. I don't want to highlight this bump. I wish it would just go away. My face just went through, like, I don't know what it is was doing. I was breaking out. It's not even gone away. It's gone away a little bit, but I was breaking out so much on my chin, my cheeks, all that. Like, I didn't know what was going on, but it's like slowly going away. We're gonna hit that nose and our bridge of the nose and the cupid's bow. I just love this highlight. Okay, babies, we're just about done. All we need now is for a lip color. So for lips, I was thinking about, you know, taking it all the way there with like a vampy, like brownish lip. But I just thought about it. It's really not even fall yet, sis. Like, this is like a pre-fall like look, because it's still summer technically, but I'm ready for the fall. But anywho, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a little nude lip with this eye since it's just so bold and popping. So I'm gonna line my lips with the NK makeup liner, and this is in Coffee. Now I'm going to take the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lip, and this is in Dulce K. I'm going to go ahead and put that right in the middle. I think this is my favorite new lip combo. Okay guys, so let's just go ahead and give us one last spritz, and I'm going to be using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay, so let me go ahead and get out this granny attire, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, that's it for the look. I hope you all enjoyed this fall makeup tutorial using the Jackie Aina palette, and I must say this palette has to be my favorite palette of 2019 so far, hands down. New to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, be a part of the gang. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I know you all love it because you've been asking me for makeup tutorials, so you guys better thumbs up and watch the tutorial. Also, go ahead and click that bell notification button so you can be notified when I upload my next makeup tutorial. So thanks for watching this video. Like always, I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video.